Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming fabric behavior. Feel the grain and test stretch because that dictates fit. Lay your pattern, aligning grain line arrows with the fabric warp. This keeps drape consistent. Once done, pin on flat surface and cut with sharp shears. Cut slowly to avoid jagged edges. Make sure to transfer markings, notches, darts, and the 1/2 seam allowance. These first cuts determine how pieces will match later, so accuracy now saves time and alterations. You now construct the bodice. Pin and stitch darts precisely because darts shape the bust and waist. Then join shoulder seams with a 1/2 stitch, finishing raw edges with zigzag or serger to prevent fray. Once shoulders are done, baste side seams and try the garment on. This fitting step lets you tweak balance and ease. If needed, let out or take in between 1/4 and 1 inch to refine the silhouette. After adjustments, replace basting with final stitching and press seams flat. To finish, attach sleeves or straps and understitch facings so necklines lie flat. This gives a polished edge. Next, install the zipper or sew buttonholes, reinforcing both ends with backstitching so closures hold under stress. Once closures are secure, fold the hem to the marked 1 cm or preferred depth press and top stitch if you want visible reinforcement. Make sure you move and sit to test mobility. If seams pull, reinforce stress points with a small bar tack or reduce seam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.